Hello everyone, my name is Daphne Christophe. I am glad to share with you a little bit about my internship experience. I had my internship at DDI Vantage at the site located at 575 East, 4500 South. I have found the internship from a list that I got from BYU faculty. My first intent was to start with the companies that was near me from the list. DDI Vantage has had no mention on the website about internship, but they had a job opening for support specialist. I realized that it will be another way to get in touch with them, especially during these pandemic times. I applied for the job, and within 48 hours they replied telling me more about the job. I was part of the team of AYS, which means Adult, Youth and Services. I provided support living and support employment to clients. I like coaching people. I was able to provide service to clients every day with a flexible schedule. I serve the company to maintain the program and their vision. The client is the base of our service. I did sacrifice myself to work with my schedule with the client's schedule. I say so because it was not always easy to do that every day, but I prioritized their schedule most of the time over mine. Also, it was a teamwork. I was proud to be part of it. Personally, I have benefited of the gift of patience, how to manage difficult people. I can experience that some things matter and some not. People are who they are, and I'm not allowed to change their personality. But I was able to guide them if they want the help. If I keep looking at their behavior, it will be hard to be successful with them. I have also learned how to prepare myself to avoid or limit unnecessary stress. As it is said, if you are prepared, you will not fear. An important connection that I made is that individual is challenging to work with, especially the adults. The course life span is a coursework that was helpful to me when I had to evaluating myself and ponder on the adequate strategy to work with them. Because they are at different stage of life, I keep remembering that they have different needs, and this was helpful for me while I'm approaching them. Definitively, yes, it is a great site. Students will be able to apply any phase of their learning from marriage and family. They also have the Early Head Start program available. As employee, after a year in a department, if you would like to move to another one, it is possible. This will be made regarding of the needs or the convenience of the company. Officially, we do not work on Sunday and Saturday, but it is flexible. I was even able to plan my own schedule. In other words, at the AYS program, you are your boss, and that was exciting. It is why being responsible is a great part for doing this job. To find an internship at the site, students can ask to see Felix Salazar. He is the program coordinator, or Linda Evie as the human resources coordinator. I hope that information will help all of you who follow this career and have concern where to go to find an internship around Salt Lake. Thank you for watching.